Look at this cool game we got. What is that?
Connect here.
Should we play it?
Sure.
What do you think, Logan? Should we play? Okay. I think the little pieces are inside. Careful. Okay.
Why is this not go back in there?
It's fine.
Okay, stop recording.
Look how tiny the pieces are, Dawson. Dawson, look how tiny the pieces are.
Wow, I know, I see them.
That's so cute.
Yeah. Anyways, so Mom,
What's that?
after breakfast, what should we do now?
After breakfast, we're gonna go visit Charlie.
Uh-huh.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
And then we need to go to the grocery store because we need a couple of things at the house.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna pick up Kirby from doggy daycare.
Cool.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, you know,
And then if you want, if you're really good, maybe you can call Zach and play Roblox with Zach.
Really?
That'd be fun.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Well,
Do you want to play this game with us? You want to show us your cool new iPad?
yeah.
Where'd you get that iPad?
Christmas?
Whoa, that's fancy.
Like, oh, one's broken because I accidentally dropped it multiple times.
You accidentally dropped it multiple times.
Logan's shocked and freaked out because he thinks I've accidentally broken my iPad by dropping it.
Yeah, but now you got a new one. We're gonna be real careful with that one, right?
At least I got a new one. Oh, you know what, Mom?
What?
When we visit Charlie, I really love their kids so much because they're so precious.
She does have really cute, sweet kids, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how we're doing with this game.
All the kids to stay alive. It's out of 0 to 17
It's
years
not
old.
go- you know there are directions right there.
These are
But the thing about all men
under 18.
is that they don't want to look at the direction. Does it show anything anywhere? I guess that's right. Just can't see it from both sides. What's the picture on the box say? On the box it shows it in the middle. It shows it closed down and that's sitting in the middle. See? So you fold it down. We gotta pop the yellow thing out and then slide that out. Don't break it. There you go. There you go. Flip it up. Flip it up. Flip it up. There you go. Yay! We figured it out. You ready to play?
Sure.
Okay. What color do you want to be? You and Logan play.
Hold on, I gotta pull this out. I gotta pull these out first. So these are gonna come out, and then I'm gonna dump these in there.
What color would you like to be?
Yellow.
Yellow. I guess that means you're red, Logan. All right. Let's see how we do. So tiny. Your turn, Dawson. Oh, Dawson. Oh, good thinking.
Oh, wait.
Okay, what happened? Whose turn?
What did I do?
Let's see. Logan wins.
Man, I lost.
It's okay.
You
bud.
played. You did a good
Yeah,
job.
you're fine.
Good
You did a
job.
great job.
He did a great job.
Yeah.
Do you want to play again?
Yeah, maybe later. But look, why are those dead people on the pictures? I'm cracking up.
They're just old pictures.
Why? Oh, they're from like 1880s.
Maybe. Maybe.
Oh.
What are we doing?
Hi.
What are we doing? Who are we bowling with?
The other Carol?
Your whole Carol family? Are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Do you like bowling?
Yeah.
10 to 11, I guess.
What's today?
January 1st, 2022.
So what do we say? Happy New
Happy New Year.
Pizza and a cookie.
This is pepperoni pizza.
Delicious pepperoni pizza. I love it. Are you having so much fun? Cheesy. So much cheese. Yummy, huh? Thumbs up. Awesome. Good job, Dawson. Good job. You got it.
Actually, I thought you were my sponsor. I don't know what that means. Watch your back.
What? I just recorded you dancing. Good job.